So are you keen to start your sleep medicine practice and overwhelmed by what all is required? Trained manpower, equipments, etc. Or you are a sleep medicine practitioner, but have waiting queues for patients and you don't have adequate support systems. This is just the right solution for you. We are offering a home sleep apnea testing workshop on the 10th of November in Delhi for a half day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So what will you learn? You will learn all about these newer devices which are there available, or the other level 3 devices which you can incorporate into your practice. You will get a hands-on feel. There will be a practical sessions for demonstration with case studies so that you can initiate your journey or progress in your journey. So all those interested to take their career forward in the field of sleep medicine, whether it is physicians, sleep educators, sleep technicians, any biomedical engineers, you're all welcome to attend. Do sign up, do join, and continue to learn more.